Once upon a time, in a land filled with lush green forests and sparkling rivers, lived the last dinosaur on Earth. His name was Dino, and he was a gentle, kind-hearted brontosaurus. Dino was very lonely because there were no other dinosaurs around, but he found comfort in the friendship of the smaller creatures of the forest. He spent his days playing with the rabbits, deer, and birds, who all loved Dino for his sweet nature. One day, Dino decided to climb the tallest hill to see if there were any other dinosaurs in the distance. He climbed, and when he reached the top, he saw the most beautiful sunset. The sky was painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple. Dino felt at peace and realized that he was never truly alone, for the beauty of nature and the love of his friends surrounded him. Every night, Dino would lay under the starlit sky, feeling grateful for his wonderful friends and the magical world he called home. And so Dino, the last dinosaur, lived happily ever after, surrounded by love and the beauty of nature. Good night, little one, and remember, just